Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, a swirling world of storms, crushing pressure, and mysteries hidden beneath thousands of miles of clouds. For decades, scientists have tried to understand what lies beneath Jupiter's colorful atmosphere. Today, we're going deep, layer by layer, to uncover what's really inside this giant planet. Number 10. The cloud tops. What we see when we look at Jupiter is only the very top of its atmosphere. These clouds are mostly made of ammonia crystals and stretch across the entire planet. They form the bands and swirling patterns we recognize, but they are only a tiny fraction of Jupiter's total depth. Number 9. The Great Red Spot. This iconic storm is larger than Earth and has been raging for centuries. It reaches deep into Jupiter's atmosphere, extending far below the cloud tops. The storm's enormous power comes from Jupiter's fast rotation and internal heat rising from below. Number 8. The atmosphere gets denser downward. Jupiter has no solid surface, so going down into the planet means entering layers of gas that get hotter and denser. Hydrogen and helium make up most of Jupiter's atmosphere, gradually changing from gas to liquid as pressure increases. Number 7. The liquid hydrogen layer. Deeper down, hydrogen becomes a liquid. This ocean of liquid hydrogen is thousands of kilometers deep and has no sharp boundary. It gradually develops as the pressure increases beyond what we can imagine. Number 6. The metallic hydrogen ocean. Further in, the pressure becomes so extreme that hydrogen turns into metallic hydrogen, a super-dense, superconductive fluid capable of carrying electric current. This layer is likely responsible for Jupiter's intense magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in the solar system. Number 5. Extreme temperatures. As we move toward the core, temperatures climb rapidly. Near the metallic hydrogen layer, temperatures may exceed 10,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the Sun, due to gravitational compression and heat left over from Jupiter's formation. Number 4. The magnetic field. Jupiter's metallic hydrogen generates a magnetic field so powerful that it could damage spacecraft electronics. It traps radiation and forms massive radiation belts that are far stronger than Earth's Van Allen belts. Number 3. The core mystery. Scientists long believed Jupiter had a solid rocky core. However, recent data from NASA's Juno mission suggests the core may be fuzzy, a mix of rock, metal, and hydrogen, partially dissolved and spread across a huge region. Number 2. A planet in constant motion. Jupiter isn't stable inside. Its layers circulate, swirl, and mix. Heat rises from the core, powering storms and atmospheric patterns that can last for centuries. Jupiter is not just a planet. It's a giant engine of continuous motion. Number 1. Jupiter is still forming. Unlike Earth, Jupiter has not finished cooling and settling since its formation. It still emits more heat than it receives from the Sun, meaning Jupiter is still changing. Studying Jupiter helps us understand how planets, including Earth, first formed. If you enjoyed exploring the deep interior of Jupiter, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and come back tomorrow for more mind-blowing science discoveries. Stay curious.